Well, very wet, soggy, misty day for our walk. But just brought the phone because I thought I'm not going to video much, but I just thought I'd video the dogs on our morning walk in the rain. Got a big tree down here because the size of this root. It's all dry underneath there though. That to be a place to, well, I don't know, it'd be about a place to shelter if it was really heavy. This bit doesn't, well, it's on a big branch, but I wouldn't like that to fall on my head. Right, continue on our walk. You doing, Flinny? Good lad. We're going round. I went over the top of that yesterday. We're going round the side. We've still got a big bit to go up at the back here, but just a little bit easier on my poor old body, seeing as I don't think I'm quite enjoying this bed I'm sleeping in. Keep waking up right stiff and headachy. Well, just slipped on wet roots. That's any trouble when you're coming through the woods in the rain. The roots get really slippy, especially when you're going up steep slopes. But not long before we come out of the trees, and then I'll have to put my hood up again. It's sunny. It's not raining ever so heavy. Badge, where you gone? What are you doing? I can't see you. Oh, I can. Top of the hill. King of the mountain. Wait for me then, Badge. Badger, wait for me. I didn't say you got to come back down. I just said wait for me. Like Flinny's doing. Waiting for me. Come on, Flinny. Flynn. Where you gone? Good lad. Wet morning walk. Just trying to keep them out of the bog. No, Flynn, no, keep out of that bog. I'm not having to bath you again. Hey, good boys. Good boys. Getting a bit soaked. What are you doing, Frey? Freya! Come here. Good girl. What did you see? Did you find something interesting? This bit of the woods, I don't think I've videoed around here. I've been down it the first time we came a walk, when first time we ever came here. It's alright, there's a load of rocks underneath your feet. I think my lens is a bit fogged up. I'll have to clean it. But because a lot of horses comes down here and it can be very boggy, which I will just show you. Oh, it must be the front camera that's fogged up, the back one's fine. So I was just saying, there's a lot of this and horses come down this way. We're not, over the years, we've not really come down here, but we're just avoiding a fella with his dog. Well, he was running. And he got a dog with him, and so we just avoided him. But we probably would have been fine if the dog was friendly, but we've just had a runner come up behind us, a male runner. Where is everybody? Here they are. And I grabbed hold of Flynn, and because he's restrained, he'd bark, which was fine. People aren't very keen on him barking his head off as they go past, but it's one of those things, because he's a bit protective. He doesn't like strangers. And Freya decides that she don't like this man either. But she did suddenly run up behind me. So I can understand the dog's opinion on the situation. Need to protect me. I think that's what she was thinking. Need to protect Mummy. So, oh yeah, we've got some brambles. I'm going to be soaked by the time I get back. So we decided to come this way. Oh, horse muck. Don't eat the horse muck, Flinny. So this woods, it's a bit foggy, but this woods is full of rhododendrons, and it's really nice. Except for when it's not wet through, because I haven't got waterproof trousers on. Look at this. I'm going to get soaked because I didn't bring no waterproof trousers, and I haven't brought an awful lot of spare clothes like I normally do, because we're not feeling very well. I wasn't planning on doing anything, but now I'm feeling a bit better. I'm off to my normal tricks, aren't I? Charging through the woods with the dogs. Mark's taking the other two out again. We took Rexy to the to Cromford Canal with my mum yesterday because Mark wasn't feeling like a walk, so he oh, go on. So he stayed in with the other dogs, and we took Rexy out for a walk. Just a little bit of special attention, just me and my mum and Rexy. Well, I'm definitely christening my new walking boots. They will be bedded in by the end of this holiday. I've been walking them to set the dogs a walk the last few weeks, so they are quite comfy now. What was that, a bird? Go on then, let's get going. This is a bit of a drop off where all the bikes go down. You're going sneaking down. Freya runs up here without any trouble, doesn't she? You're a scaredy cat. Only Freya's not scared. Freya's been over and up that side. It's a long way down. I'm a bit of a scaredy cat on a bike. I don't think I would dare go down there. You can see where they've gone off the end there, and that end is quite sharp. Well, Freya's gone down. Freya! Come on back up. Good girl. Where are you going? Freya! Come on this way. Oh. Good to have a play, Rexy, before we walk back. Where's Freya gone? Freya, come on. Come on, Freya. Come on. One more run round, and then we're going back, because we're wet. Come on. Badger, leave the stick. Badger, leave the stick. Hey, leave. Badge, put it down. Thank you. You're going to hurt yourself. You're doing stalking Freya. You stalking Freya, Rexy? I know. Come on then, let's go then. Alright, hang on then. Yeah, Flinny. How much stick have you got in your tail? Oh look, loads of it.
It's still long enough to get it.
I don't know, come here. Let's have a look. You've got tons. Look at this stick in your tail. Ow, spiky stick. Rex is Have we got all yours out, Rex?
Pulling your tail. Look at Lexi.
Rex is pulling it out. Rex is helping. Is all yours out, yours, Rex? Oh, there's 1 or 2 bits still. If I'd use what's yours like, oh, you're all right.